people, so today we're going to be making slime, regular slime, and this one is watery for some reason. But yeah, so let's get started. Just get a random bowl and put your glue in it. And I'm using Rose Arts. Then I put a little bit of shampoo in. Use any. I also put in some lotion. Just mix that all up. And then just put your borax and water solution a little bit by little bit in. And don't just dump all of it in because then it doesn't become stretchy or anything. So just keep on doing this until it forms. It might take more than just a few drops. And this, I'm using borax and water solution. So it's starting to form a little bit. Okay. Just lay that out. And then put some of your borax and water on. So that's how you make slime.